Every US dollar begins its life in cotton fields. Cotton fibers form the foundation of currency paper.
Timing determines fiber quality.
Quality checks begin early.
Harvest begins with heavy machinery. Machines separate fiber from the plant. Raw fiber is collected efficiently. Harvested cotton is compacted for transport. Modules wait for transport. Logistics begin at the field. Cotton prepares for its next destination.
Fiber strength matters for durability.
Volume drives national production.
Cotton leaves the farm behind.
Protection preserves material quality.
Agriculture feeds industry.
Raw material nears processing.
The dollar's transformation is about to begin.
Raw material enters the industrial chain.
Weight determines processing records.
Accurate data guides production flow.
Clearance keeps logistics moving. Movement follows strict routing.
Material protection remains critical.
Throughput is carefully scheduled.
Keep it coming! Easy now!
Human coordination guides heavy movement.
Precision prevents material loss.
Safety locks the system in place.
Raw fiber is exposed for handling.
Condition checks prevent contamination.
Machinery prepares for transfer. Transfer begins with controlled force. Gravity is carefully managed.
Continuous flow avoids downtime. Cotton moves closer to transformation.
Transport ends where processing begins. Industrial processing begins at the mill. Alignment prevents material loss. Positioning sets the process. Raw cotton enters the system. Conveyors establish continuous flow.
Air systems protect material purity.
Processing halls drive consistency. Vertical routing maximizes efficiency. Safety governs every step. Flow is unified.
Controlled feeding prevents overload.
Balance maintains system stability. Preparation begins with uniformity. Visibility supports inspection.
Human oversight remains critical.
Initial cleaning begins. Cleaning removes field-level contamination. Larger impurities are removed first. Air systems extract fine contaminants. Dust is isolated from fiber.
Clean fiber advances for refinement.
Fiber separation improves consistency. Lint cleaning removes micro debris. Precision screens refine purity.
Moisture balance protects fiber strength.
Safety systems prevent equipment damage.
Human judgment supports automation.
Fiber alignment improves durability. Uniform flow supports precision processing. Static control prevents fiber damage. Buffering stabilizes throughput. Flow control maintains balance. Clean fiber is ready for transformation. Controlled suction strengthens bonding. Transfer maintains sheet integrity. Pressure increases durability. Heat stabilizes the paper. Moisture is reduced gradually. Precision prevents defects.
Consistency defines quality.
Surface treatment improves lifespan. Treatments are permanently set. Thickness is precisely controlled.
Automation maintains constant flow.
Speed meets absolute accuracy. Robotics replace manual labor here. Compression ensures perfect alignment. Every sheet enters under struct control. Separation prevents alignment errors. Alignment ensures print accuracy. Printing begins under extreme pressure. Continuous production never stops. Accuracy prevents material loss.
Waste is separated immediately.
The final stage begins. Currency paper takes its final form. The foundation of money is complete. Automation now takes full control. Currency dimensions are precisely defined. Precision defines the value of currency. Details deter counterfeiting.
Durability is non-negotiable.
Thickness must meet exact standards. Moisture stability ensures lifespan. Hidden features confirm authenticity. Advanced checks defeat counterfeiting.
Alignment protects traceability.
Data drives acceptance.
Currency sheets are prepared for final form.
Every note is cut to exact dimensions.
Order is rebuilt at scale.
Compression protects alignment. Security continues through packaging.
Smaller units become secured blocks.
Currency prepares for storage. Storage follows strict security. Traceability begins immediately.
Human authority confirms results.
Material prepares for final precision.
Tracking remains uninterrupted. Clearance is officially granted.
Tamper resistance is enforced.
Currency awaits dispatch.
Transport security is paramount.
Finished currency leaves the facility.
And this is how modern factories produce US dollars from start to finish.
Precision and security define modern currency.
Please like, share, and subscribe.